Connection isn't a destination, it's a system that needs maintenance. You built connection practices, they worked, but systems without maintenance drift. Relationships need ongoing attention, not one-time fixes. When did you last assess your connection practices? Are you still doing what worked, or has drift set in? Maintenance isn't glamorous, it's essential. Quarterly relationship check-in, same assessment you started with, what's working, what's drifted, what needs attention. Systems maintained are systems that last. What happens without maintenance? Gradual drift back to disconnection, or what becomes possible with regular attention? This week, schedule a quarterly relationship review. Same questions, regular rhythm. Maintain what you built, starting with our free diagnostic. Link in bio.